Hi, and welcome to day 24 of our 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living Challenge. And today we're going to be going through games. So we have some of our games are in our garage because we've kind of turned it into like a little hangout space for our teenagers. And then we might have some in our living room. So be sure you go through all the spaces in your home where you're keeping games, and you can get rid of anything that is missing pieces and then donate stuff that you just don't enjoy playing anymore. Maybe your kids have outgrown. Here are some of the games we have in the garage, and we have some more in this cabinet. So we're gonna pull everything out, make sure we'll still use it, and declutter what we do. Here is our pile of games that we've either never played or have outgrown. These ones we actually love, and so I'm going to move them inside into a cabinet in the living room. And then we reorganize this, so we have puzzles and poker chips and the rest of the games that we'll actually play. See you tomorrow.